This is clone of Vercel landing page. I gave Claude Code screenshots of this landing page and it built the entire landing page autonomously. Let me show you how I did that. So I have captured several screenshots because that landing page was too long, so I had to take multiple screenshots as you see. So now all these screenshots cover the entire page of Vercel. So now we are going to use Claude Code to create this exact clone. So let's open the terminal and here I will start the Claude. I will just ask it that clone this site as a static page. Use bun, not npm, because bun is very fast, and check all screenshots in this folder. And here I will also mention, please make sure that this is pixel perfect clone and fully responsive. You see that it is looking at every image one by one, observing them. Once it will have every information, then it will start working on it. You see that it is now creating a list of tasks that it will follow one by one. Let's review all screenshots. So it has just started work on the very first task, that is review all screenshots. Okay, it has reviewed all of the screenshots. Now starting to set up the project with bun. It has started to create the index.html file. Okay, the task about building header and navigation is completed. Also, it has created the hero section and logo cloud plus feature section is also completed. Build text, image, video showcase is completed. And now it is just testing the responsiveness of this design that it has built. So once it is fully satisfied, then we will open this URL in browser and we'll test it. So you see that it is using the Chrome DevTools to test the responsiveness. It is opening website in different resolutions. It has completed its testing. Here is a summary with the message it's done. So it's time to test it and see how it is working. Run dev. Alright, let's open this URL in browser. So let me show you something. So this is the original design. Now let's open the design that Claude Code just cloned and look at that. It is amazing. Look at the design. It is almost exactly same as in the original design. So it is hard to tell the difference, and you see all of the code sections and everything is looking exactly same. Look at the footer. Footer is also exactly same like in the original design. You see everything is working. Even the FAQ sections are also working. There are improvements that we can make by having further conversation with it about anything that is not perfect, but mostly everything is working perfectly fine. Look at these, all tabs, everything is fully functional. I can switch these tabs to get the command for every option. So this is really impressive. Okay, now let's test the responsiveness. For that, I will open inspect element, and here let's click on this button and you will be able to see in the responsive mode. Okay, in the mobile, it is for the iPhone, it didn't look great, but let's test for the other. So it is not looking great for the other devices as well. In the mobile phone, it is not perfect. So for example, you see that there is a horizontal scroll for the entire layout, and this is happening because of this text, I guess, that is making it overflown. So let's take a screenshot and tell Claude that there is a horizontal. So I will go back to the Claude Code, the same session where we built the application, and I pasted my screenshot. So let's see what it does. Actually, it is completed now. It is just testing it by itself. So let me also check myself. Yes, it is fixed. So you see now there is no horizontal scroll, but menu button is not working in the mobile version. So let me ask you to fix that as well. So it will fix that as well. Meanwhile, let me scroll down and see the entire design to make sure that everything is perfect in the mobile version. So it tested the menu by itself. So let me also open it in the mobile mode. Yes, the menu is working, and look at the animation. That is amazing. It is showing cross button with animation. So that is very impressive. Also, the menu looks perfect to me. Now let's test it one last time. And yes, everything is still perfect. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you think so, then please make sure to like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos. The repo link is provided below in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.